we are living in very challenging times where everything is going up in value. Inflation is going up, the cost of living is very high at the moment. So what can you do to improve your financial circumstances? Well, one thing you can do is to improve your income. You need to get multiple sources of income, and that's exactly what you're going to learn in this video. How can you profit from property using none or little of your own money and time? My name is Sam Fortes. I'm author of the upcoming book, Success Booster, which is a book that teaches you how to grow rich, live happy, and be healthier. And also, I'm the author of Profit from Property, which is a book that teaches you how to acquire property using none of your money or little of your time. So there are 4 ways to profit from property. The first way is asset control. The second way is asset promotion. The third way is asset creation. And the fourth way is asset purchase. But in this video, we are going to focus only on the first way to profit from property, which is asset control. So before we explain what is asset control, let me share my story. I arrived in the UK in December 2014 from Portugal. So despite having a degree and a master in computing science engineering, I couldn't find work. So even though I had all these skills, all these experience, it was very challenging. So from 2016 to 2017, I've been investing myself. I even paid £4,000 to learn advanced property strategies on how to control properties with little money. So from 2016 to 2017, I paid over £4,000 to learn advanced property strategies, to learn how to control properties without using my own money or even time. After 2 years, I managed to control 2 properties. Control here means that I get to collect the rental income without having to get a mortgage. So what is asset control and why is it so important in these tough times? Well, asset control is an effective tool to control other people's assets using little amount of money, whatever is your currency. It's like buy now, pay later. You get the benefits to collect rental monthly income without having to buy the asset, which is the property. You can use this strategy anywhere in the world. For example, it's used in the USA, it's used also in the UK, and it's a legal strategy. So when you're controlling an asset like a property, you can again collect rental income, but again, you may need to pay the seller's mortgage, the landlord mortgage, you need to pay the maintenance, insurance, or even sometimes we pay mortgage arrears. Some people are behind in their mortgage, and the only way they're going to grant you, or they're going to give you the option to control their property is that you need to pay the mortgage they previously owned to the bank. As I said, with this strategy, you can put little or none of your money, and you can collect rental income. And the reason that they will give you the chance to control their property is that you are paying the mortgage, you are paying the insurance, you are paying the maintenance, and they may even be about to be repossessed, so they have no choice than to give you the option to have them to stop your possession. So generally, there are 2 types of options or 2 ways to control properties. The first one is lease option, and the second one is purchase lease option. So again, asset control is you can make money from other people's. The first way to make money is to use lease option. This is where you pay someone's mortgage, insurance, and maintenance. And the benefit you get is that you get to collect the rental income. You can sell the contracts for cash to other investors. Is anywhere between £5,000 to £10,000. You can live in the property yourself without having to get a mortgage or even to put a deposit down. This is amazing, isn't it? It's possible and it's legal. So if you're not sure about this, get in touch with me. I will show you how to do it. And the second way to make money from property is something called purchase lease option. So what is purchase this option. This is where you pay a tired or retired landlord a monthly fee, and he or she gives you the option to purchase the property in the future for a fixed amount of price. So the benefits you get is that you get the option to buy the property in the future without having to pay the mortgage or a deposit down. The criteria is that the landlord don't need the money right now. The only way they're going to give you the option to buy the property in the future is that they want to sell in the future. It's like they are looking to rent the property right now and then to sell in the future. But if they are looking to sell the property right now, then this strategy does not work, okay? So it only works when the landlord or the homeowner needs the money in the future. Maybe they need to rent right now, and then they will probably sell in the future. You can sell the contract again for cash to other investors between 5,000 to 10,000 K. Again, you need to know about how to do that. I can teach you how to do that. I have all the contracts, and also I have a team of solicitors. I have a mortgage broker. I have a solicitor and builders in my team that can help you how to do that. So if you want to learn how to do this, make sure you get in touch with me. Okay, now, examples of very wealthy and powerful people who use asset control. So I'm going to invite you to meet my multimillionaire mentor. This is a story of success. So you have Vincent Wong. He is the founder of Wealth Dragons, and he introduced these options in the UK. He's one of the, he is very knowledgeable. He does a lot of training as well. So if you want to learn more about this option about asset control, make sure also you can get in touch. And then you have Rob Moore and Mark Homer. They're property multimillionaires. They own over 700 properties in the UK. Most of the properties are in Peterborough. Many of these properties are quite using none or little of their own money and time. They make a lot of partnership with other people. Obviously, they have a large team. They have people working for them as well. So these are people you need to learn with or learn from. Make sure you get in touch with Rob Moore and Mark Homer. Check them out on YouTube. Learn as much as you can from these guys, okay? And then you have Kevin Green. Kevin Green is one of the wealthiest landlords in the UK. He also uses lease options to buy property. And then you have Kevin McDonald. Kevin McDonald is expert in buying assets using none or little of his own money and time. He works in partnership with other people like myself, experts, and he's always looking for people to make new deals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment below this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And the only thing you have to learn is to get in touch with me, watch my videos, and keep educating yourself.